Hello, this is John with Heartland Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the batch credit card report. So this one's going to be kind of tricky because I don't want to pull up somebody's report and give out information I'm not supposed to. So I'm kind of going to pull this snip off here. By the way, I am in the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. And then I went to the menu icon here, and then I went to reports. And I'm on the batch credit card report. Now most of these reports over here on the side you can also view from the workstation. All you do is sign in and go to the menu icon here at the top right and go to reports, and then all your reports will show up on the left. Now, as usual, we've got the export here on the top right. You can export to PDF or CSV if you need an electronic copy, or you can print with this button here. Then we've got the date range here. You can go day to day by using the arrows on the side, or you can click in the date range field and it will pull up your calendar, or you've got some quick select buttons here. You can quickly go to this month, last week, last 7 days, etc. Or if there's a specific day you're looking for, you can drop down the month, choose the day you're looking for, and hit the run. If you're doing a date range, then you select the date you want to start with first and then the date you want to end with second, and it will choose that range, and you can hit run. Now on this demo account that I'm using, it doesn't have any information populated, but I am going to take this opportunity to point out that if you see this here, and this is provided using Heartland processing, this is only going to work if you're using Heartland processing. If you're using somebody else, this won't work. But if you're using Heartland processing and you see this authentication error when you go in here, that means that some of your credentials on the back end here are wrong. So you need to get help either from Heartland or from your trusted dealer. Now I've got a thing I can pull up here and kind of show you what fields there are. These are the fields you'd be seeing. I tried to cut off the sensitive information here that I don't want on the internet. But you'd show device ID, you'd have a batch ID, you'd see a status, sequence numbers, open dates, close dates, open transaction IDs, closed transaction IDs, batch transaction count, and batch transaction amount. So that's the information you'd see. I would suggest if you have further questions on this report, since it's kind of hard to go over without showing sensitive data, to go ahead and give us a call, or whoever your trusted dealer is. But that's all I got for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.